Do people talk over you, completely ignore what you have to say, and make you feel like it really doesn't matter? If you have ever felt invisible in a conversation, this is for you. Welcome to Dear Jillian, where we talk about the conversations that shape your identity, your confidence, and your life. Dear Jillian, there have been so many times lately where I'm in the middle of a sentence and I realize no one is listening, or a friend literally starts talking over me in the middle of a story. Sometimes I'm sharing really heavy things, and I know these people are supposed to be my friends, but I feel invisible, like they don't care and like I'm not worth listening to. What do I do? Oh, friend, if this has happened to you, that pain is not dramatic. It is not small. That is deeply human. Being ignored triggers one of the strongest threats that the brain can possibly experience: social rejection. Because to your nervous system, being unseen equals being unsafe. There is nothing wrong with you for feeling hurt. And here's the part that most people never tell you. People talking over you is not always about your worth. It's often about your conversational positioning. Positioning can be changed. Here are 3 reasons why you might feel invisible. Number 1, you are signaling low authority. This happens through subtle behaviors. If you are soft when you enter into a conversation, your sentences trail off. If you ask permission to talk, lower your volume mid-sentence, abandon your point when you're interrupted. None of this is weakness. It's your nervous system protecting you from conflict. Others unconsciously read it as optional attention. Number 2, you yield the conversational floor too quickly. Conversation has an invisible structure. Someone speaks, someone holds the floor, someone releases it. If you stop when you're interrupted or let your thoughts disappear, you teach people you are interruptible, because people will treat you based on what you consistently allow. Number 3, this one's hard for me. You equate being heard with being valued. That is the deepest layer. And when someone talks over you, your brain says, I don't matter, I'm not important. But those are 2 very different things. Your value is internal. Your communication skills are external. And when you separate those, you gain power. Let's talk about what to do instead. You do not need confrontation. You need authority. So continue speaking. If somebody interrupts you, don't immediately stop. Maintain your pace. Finish your sentence, because that's going to show that you have presence. You are secure in who you are. Remember I said about that floor? Reclaim it. So say calmly, hold on, this matters to me. Or I really want to finish that thought. No apology, no aggression, just clarity. Slow down on your delivery, okay? Because people listen to what feels grounded. When you speak slower, you create perceived authority and psychological weight. Your pace trains attention. Here's what I want you to understand. You are not ignored because you lack value. The only reason you feel that way is because you were never taught how to hold space. This is a skill. It is not a personality trait, and it is not a flaw. And once you learn it, your entire world changes. If you've ever felt invisible, you are not alone and you are not powerless. Do these things because you can learn to take back your space, learn to be heard, and you can learn conversational authority. It is not about your value. If they are your friends and they care, these things should help. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more Dear Jillian. And if you have a situation that you want help with, please leave it in the comments, because I may be able to answer it next time. Remember who you are. You deserve to be heard.